Do you dread the thought of sending out an important email or publishing a blog post, fearing that your grammar mistakes will be glaringly obvious to everyone? Are you tired of being embarrassed by your poor grammar skills? In this video, we're going to introduce you to one of the most powerful AI tools out there which will change the way you write forever, helping you to create error-free and compelling content in no time. Get ready to witness true grammar mastery. Grammarly AI tool is a game-changer in the world of writing and communication. With its advanced algorithms and intelligent features, Grammarly has become a trusted companion for individuals and professionals alike. Here are 15 points highlighting the key aspects and benefits of Grammarly AI tool. Grammarly AI tool is an innovative writing assistant that offers unparalleled grammar and spelling checks. It goes beyond basic spell checkers, providing suggestions for sentence structure, word choice, punctuation, and more. One of the standout features of Grammarly is its ability to detect contextual errors. It analyzes the entire sentence to identify potential mistakes and offers precise suggestions to enhance clarity and coherence. Whether you're a student writing an essay, a professional drafting an email, or a content creator crafting an article, Grammarly AI tool ensures that your writing is error-free and polished. Grammarly doesn't just correct mistakes, it also helps users improve their writing skills. It provides explanations for the suggested changes, helping writers understand grammar rules and learn from their errors. The tool offers a seamless user experience across various platforms. You can use Grammarly as a web browser extension, desktop app, or mobile keyboard, making it accessible and convenient for writing on different devices. Grammarly's real-time checking feature is particularly beneficial. It highlights errors as you type, allowing you to correct them instantly and ensuring that your writing is error-free from the get-go. In addition to grammar and spelling checks, Grammarly also offers advanced features like plagiarism detection. It scans your text against a vast database, flagging any instances of potential plagiarism and providing suggestions to improve originality. Grammarly AI tool adapts to your specific needs and style. It allows you to customize the writing goals, preferences, and even the dialect you prefer, ensuring that the tool aligns with your unique writing style. The vocabulary enhancement feature of Grammarly suggests alternative words and phrases to enhance the impact of your writing. It helps you avoid repetition and choose more precise and engaging language. Grammarly's clarity and conciseness suggestions are invaluable for improving the readability of your text. It helps you eliminate wordiness, cut down on jargon, and express your ideas more effectively. Grammarly AI tool is a great resource for non-native English speakers. It offers language-specific checks and suggestions, helping users improve their fluency and accuracy in English writing. The performance stats and insights provided by Grammarly offer valuable feedback on your writing habits. It tracks metrics like word count, reading time, vocabulary diversity, and writing productivity, enabling you to monitor your progress and set goals. Grammarly's user-friendly interface and intuitive design make it easy to navigate and utilize its full potential. The tool is designed to be user-centric, ensuring that writers of all skill levels can benefit from its features. The Grammarly AI tool is constantly evolving and improving. With regular updates and enhancements, Grammarly stays at the forefront of writing assistance technology, providing users with the latest advancements and features. Whether you're a student, professional writer, or someone who wants to improve their writing skills, Grammarly AI tool is an indispensable companion. It saves time, enhances clarity and correctness, and empowers users to communicate their ideas effectively and confidently. In summary, Grammarly AI tool is a powerful ally for anyone seeking to improve their writing skills and produce error-free, polished content. With Grammarly, you can write with confidence, knowing that your words are clear, concise, and impactful.